Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I decided to show you guys how I do my ingredient prep. So like all my peppers and everything that I bought from the market. I'm just gonna show you guys how I preserve them and how I prepare them. Not like make, but like how I'll show you how I do them so that the next time I need to use it for cooking, it's gonna be really quick, and you know, it's just really quick and easy. So obviously whenever I buy them, that's the same day that I would have to wash them and do all of the preparing. I don't have everything that I actually planned to show you guys, but I'll see what I can do, and let's just get right into the video. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't. I don't know why you still haven't subscribed and you're still watching this one. You must just subscribe. Just subscribe, my darling. Like, just subscribe. So I'm just showing you guys. I bought some tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. So like I said in my previous videos, or one of my previous videos, I mentioned that you should always buy your peppers and stuff from open market, and you know, I bought them from open market. This is how they come. They're quite cheap as well. I bought some red bell peppers as well from the open market. It's really cheap, guys. That's that. And then we've got this scotch bonnets, reds and green, and literally you can smell it. It's really hot, so that's why I'm wearing gloves, because hey, I got some okra from the open market as well. It was quite cheap. And then I bought green bell peppers that I need for my ayamashi, all of that, everything. So I'm just gonna go on to washing all of the peppers, the tomatoes, the red bell pepper, the green ones as well, before freezing them. For the red ones, you can choose to save the seeds if you want, because sometimes they look nice in stews. I do that sometimes, but I already have enough from the last time in the freezer that I haven't used, so I didn't want to keep on, you know, putting them in the freezer. So I'm just not going to use the seeds anyways. But yeah, you can do that if you want. It's really nice. And yeah. So after spending 10,000 hours washing the scotch bonnets, finally I'm done. I'm gonna go on to doing the okra. I'm just grating them. You can use knife if you want. You can use blender if you want. I really don't mind whatever it is that I use. And then I'm gonna bag them and put them in the freezer as well. Sometimes I can leave them in the freezer for up to a month, or maybe 3 weeks actually, and it's really, you know, still okay. And then I'm separating my scotch bonnets because I'm gonna keep them in separate places in the freezer anyways. So I'm done with most of it. For the fresh tomatoes, I'm going to keep them in the fridge because I would like having them fresh anyway. So like if I was going to slice them in jollof rice or slice them in my egg or something, I like keeping them fresh, some of them anyways. So most of them are going to be going in the fridge. My rodo is definitely going in the freezer. All the rodo is going in the freezer. All the red bell pepper are going in. Red bell pepper and the green bell pepper are going in the freezer as well. Although I'm gonna take out some to do like pepper mix for jollof rice, so that the next time I need to make jollof rice, I don't have to blend again. Like everything would just be really easy and quick for me. So I'm gonna do that as well. Let me show you guys why I decided to split the rodo. So it's because when I put it in the freezer, I'm gonna put it in 2 different places. So for me, it just makes sense to like just split them up, and you know what you're doing. Obviously, this is the freezer. So that's actually blended, not blended, grated okra. Actually, it's blended. It's very fine. It's blended okra already. and that's in the freezer. So whenever I need to make okra, and this one as well is all washed. So whenever I need it for my yamashi or I need it in my fried rice, I just take it out from here and I just put it. So I'm putting the green ones on this side as well. Like all the green stuff go here. Anything that's not red just goes into this part of the freezer, and then I'm gonna put the red ones on the other side. So I'm gonna show you now. Red ones is a lot actually, so I'm beginning to think that maybe the space will be enough, but I'm hoping that it would be. So we're just gonna spread that out. You have some sneaky silly there that actually fits. So yeah, I feel like it just makes. I wanted to show you guys as well that I always do the same thing for my yams. Let's try and find yam, shall we? Oh, there we go. So this is. So I cut my yam, I wash them, and I freeze them, and it's really nice. Like there is no, oh, the yam is a bit tasteless or anything. Like no, like it's really nice. And the next time I need to cook yam or anything like that, or porridge or anything, I literally just bring it out of the freezer and just cook it. And like it's so much easier. Like some days you come back late from work or an outing and you just feel like eating yam, but then you need to think about the fact that, oh, I'm gonna start, cutting the yam and then washing it and doing all of the troubles, and then you feel like, oh, you know what, now let me just eat noodles instead. But then if you pick out a free day or night like I'm doing, or actually evening, pick out a free evening and you do all of the cutting and the washing and everything, you'll be fine for next time. So it's really a good thing, and I hope you guys try out this method. It really works, and it just makes cooking so much easier. Like cooking doesn't have to be always stressful and everything. Also I'm gonna pack the red bell peppers into a bag and I'm gonna put them in the freezer as well. So guys, I've done most of the things. Oh god, it's so hot. I've done most of the things that I wanted to show you, which are basically all the peppers, the green pepper, the ruder, the red bell pepper, the green ruder. I just wanted to let you guys know as well that I also do the same for my meat. So for example, I bought beef, chicken, and some smoked turkey, which I am cooking. I'm cooking that. I've cooked my chicken already. I'm just frying it. My beef, I haven't cooked. I'm gonna be cooking it with one scotch bonnet. I'm gonna be cooking my beef, and then I'm gonna fry my fish, and I'm gonna put all of that in the freezer for whenever I need to make soup or anything. I'm just gonna use it. I have also, so this is the pepper mix for jollof rice. Everything I used for this pepper mix is gonna be in the description box below, so just check that out if you want. And this is the pepper mix for my noodles and spaghetti and everything. You can see there's a difference because I use fresh tomatoes for this and I use plum tomatoes for this. The devil is a liar. 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 Oh, so these are the seeds that I was saying. Like I already kept some of the seeds from the green peppers last time I washed them, and I haven't used them. I'm still gonna use them for some spicy sauce that I'm gonna make. I'm planning to do that. I'm kind of person that I like making life easy for myself. Like I'd rather do all of the hard work in one day and then have the rest of the day really like chill and calm. I really do, because I enjoy cooking so much. I really don't think that cooking should have to be stressful and annoying, and you know, shouldn't be something that, you know, you should only do in your free time. So even when you're really busy and you come back home late from work, I feel like you should still be able to cook. And it's just nice to make life easier for yourself, really. Thank you for watching. God, so hot. But anyways, please remember to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't. Also share with your family and friends, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.